What's the meaning of cutout? Cutout. Cutout.
Cut out. Cut out. Cutout is a term that refers to the process of removing an object or person from an image or video, leaving only the desired subject. The result is an isolated image or video with a transparent background, which can be superimposed onto another background or used in various graphic design applications. This technique is commonly used in photo editing and video production to create collages, memes, product photos, and more. Accurate cutouts require precision and attention to detail, as even small errors can disrupt the overall visual impact of the image or video.